Do you read one of your new books? That sounds fun, doesn't it? What's that? What is that your dad is holding? It's okay, it's just a camera. It's taking a video of you, so you can be a video star. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry you have the hiccups. Really? I'm sure your hiccups will go away soon. Yeah. Hi, Judy. Well, I think today maybe we'll read you a couple books. Maybe we'll give you some tummy time. And later, I think we'll go for a walk. Does that sound good? You gonna go for a walk later? I know, I like going on a walk too. It's nice. Go enjoy the sunshine. Yeah. Does that sound good? What do you think? Is that a plan?